roof, antenna, trunk in the US, boot in the UK, brake light, tail light, rear bumper, license plate in the US, number plate in the UK, tail or exhaust, turn signal or blinker, window, slide mirror, door, door handle, tire in the US, tyre in the UK, windshield in the US, windscreen in the UK, hood in the US, bonnet in the UK, grills, headlight, front bumper, fog lamp, turn signal or blinker, disc brake, gas tank in the US, petrol tank in the UK. Car interior vocabulary: horn, dashboard, steering wheel, radio and CD player, air ventilation, gear shift in the US, gear lever in the UK, cup or beverage holder, gas paddle, brake paddle, clutch, power window and door lock controls, door handle, seat, seat belt, headrest, speedometer, rev counter, coolant temperature gauge, fuel gauge, oil pressure gauge, air filter, alternator, engine, radiator, battery,